I don't have any sense of time. And this question it's repeated over and over and over as the court proceeds, madam.
Yes, Mr. Stanley.
My lord, the witness can simply say, was it in the morning or it was in the afternoon?
Yeah, proceed.
Uthi ke umshushisi Colonel Raphadu ungene nini emotweni akasho ukuthi uchaze isikhathi esithize uthi ungasho ukuthi bekusemini noma bekuhlwile noma bekusekuseni.
Mina phambi kwesenkantolo ngisho ubaba uRaphatha azange ngambone kuseni ngimbone emini lapho egibela imoto abasamthatha khona seza naye lapho imoto eyihamba khona engazekiwa kuphi.
My lord, I have testified that I did not see Colonel Raphadu in the morning. I saw him during the day when he came into the vehicle and we drove off.
Did at any stage, when you were in that place, return Orlando at the gate, Lieutenant Colonel Raphadu talk to you?
Ngalesikhathi nilaphayana kule ndawo ebekade ibhalwe Orlando egate. Sikhona isikhathi la ukuthi uLieutenant Colonel Raphadu uye wakhuluma nawe.
Angizange ngikhulume naye nkosenkantolo wazokhuluma nami ngoba phela wayephethe yonke into yami azange ngibuzeni nkosenkantolo.
There is nothing that he had spoken to me. What was he going to speak to me about as he had everything that pertained to me?
So you are saying this pro forma as well as the statement is something that the police came with ready prepared.
Manje ufuna ukuthi lencwadi ne statement esiphakathi into ekuthi amaphoyisa beze seyibhaliwe.
Nkosenkantolo makehleli phansi angibazi ukuthi benzani mina lapha behleli khona.
As they were seated down, I do not know what were they doing where they were sitting.
Ukuthi babebhala babengabhala angibazi mina lento le angidibani nayo nkosenkantolo ngeyabo.
Whether they were writing or not, I am not part of it. This document belongs to them.
Okwami kuphela la isignature esikhathi ngishawa lo impendulo ngiphendula phambi kwesenkantolo.
The only thing that belongs to me here, my lord, it's a signature when I was being assaulted. That's all I am saying in front of this court.
So you've got nothing to do with the contents of this document?
Wena lokho kubhalwe la awuhlangani lutho na.
Angihlangani nkosenkantolo nakho.
Yes, my lord, I have nothing to do with what is written in this document.
Ngoba kube mhlambe kwenziwaye ngishina phambi kwesenkantolo ukuthi la ngabe ngizocela istatement sezulu izulu ngiyakwazi ukusibhala.
If this document was completed by me, I would have completed the document in Zulu because I am able to write Zulu.
Thank you, sir. So as you're being assaulted there, what happened?
Njengoba bowulibele ushawa lapha kwenzakeleni?
Ngishayiwe nkosenkantolo kuthiwa mangisayine ngazange ngagcina ngisayinele sengizwe ukuthi naphela ngumuntu ungikhathele ngemukele.
I got assaulted, my lord, until I gave up and saw that indeed I have to sign, as I have already given up and I was now tired of being assaulted.
Angisayinanga nkosenkantolo ngokuthanda kwami lami.
I did not sign freely and voluntarily.
And can you describe the nature of assault that was meted out on the day in question?
Uthi umshushisi ake uchaze lokushawa okhuluma ngakho kwalelo langa.
Nkosenkantolo ngikhuluma mina ngokufaka uplastic ekhanda nkosenkantolo la.
My lord, I am referring to being choked with a plastic being put on my head.
Ngoba babe ngibambile ngapha izandla ngapho ubaba uButhelezi nalo nomunye ngingalazi igama lakho emhlophe.
As Mr. Buthelezi and the other white gentleman held my hands from the back.
Ngaze ngabona ukuthi ka angisayini amavela akekho nomuntu ongapha ngakimi maka lokho bekufaka uplastic ekhanda ukhisha kuthana manje awufuni ngiyakuyeka bekubulala ngizothini mina la.
And my lord, that's when I realized that I need to sign as I have been assaulted and a plastic would be placed in my head and taken off, and then I would be asked, are you signing or not, or whether you want them to assault you to death. What was I supposed to do? I then realized that I need to sign, my lord.
So all these arrangements, from taking a detour to Fosloras to that particular place just for you to put a signature on that document?
Manje ukulibele yonke lendawo la ukube kade kusuka khona kusuka kuyiswa eFosloras bese naqhezuka emgaqweni niya laphayana ngasesibhedlela nje ukuthi wena uyosayina kwakade kuhanjwa yonke leyo ndlela ukuthi wena uyosayina.
Nkosi enkantolo nakho kwenzekile angithi.
My lord, that's what happened.
Noma ngisho namanye Nkosi enkantolo tokwami signature la okwami ngenkani ngeforce bengiforce ukuthi angisayinela ukube mina ngangiforce Nkosi enkantolo namanje ngiyasho phambi kwakho ngangeke ngisayinele lento.
And my lord, all that happened from me, it's for me to sign. If I was not forced to sign, I was not going to sign, my lord.
Okay. Said you were chubed. What else was done to you?
Uthe ufakwe uplastic wachupiwa yini enye into ebakwenze yona?
Nkosi enkantolo ngathi mangifaka uplastic la bengibambe ngapha ngizama ukuphunyuka ngethe bayangibamba straight bangipressa so.
My lord, as they have put a plastic on me and they have grabbed me with my hands, I was trying to get off the grip.
Ingakho ngaqala mangingena lapha eboxing ngitshela Nkosi enkantolo lento ayenzeka kimi angimfisele omunye umuntu ibhlungu namanje enhlizweni yami.
And my lord, that is why even when I started testifying, I said what happened to me, I would not wish that it happened to anyone.
Ingakho
That
ngize
thing is painful.
ingakho ngize ngakhipha ngamagama uthi uNkulunkulu ababusise.
And that is why I even uttered the words that may God bless them.
Okay, it's fine. I heard you.
Uthi kulungile ukuzwile
So
umfundisi.
all this was happening in the presence of Colonel Rapado.
Konke lokhu kwenzakele uKennel Rapadu ekhona.
Ukhona ngithi iphoyisa elikhulu ngizothini mina ukhona.
Yes, he was present as he was one of the senior police officers.
And then who approached you for a signature?
Ubani oze kuwe wathi usign?
Angithi bebe masobele babugcina into ethi namanje awufuni siyakuyeka bekubulala mangithi ke okay lethana ngisayina uyanginika ngiyasayina ngizothini mina Nkosi enkantolo.
They came with Brigadier Gininda and they asked me, are you still refusing to sign or should we let them kill you? And they brought the document with a pen and I opted to sign.
Did Colonel Rapado utter any words?
Colonel Rapadu yena ikhona into aye wayisho kuwe.
Ukhona raphatha Nkosi enkantolo mayebamba iphepha sokukhuluma uGilinda besethi bese ngithi mina hayi lethana ngisayine baye uyanginika ngethu uyakhomba ukuthi sign la ayikho into engizoyinqaba Nkosi enkantolo mina.
My Lord, Colonel Rapadu had the document and Brigadier Gininda was speaking. When I said, bring the document, let me sign, he gave me and he paged through and showed me where to sign.
Was that his only involvement in regarding this document?
Yona yodwa into ayenzile uKennel Rapadu ukuthi akunike incwadi ukuthi sign la.
Njengoba ngisho Nkosi enkantolo kunjalo ngicela Nkosi.
As I am stating it, my Lord, that's how it happened.
Nothing else.
Ayikho enye into aye wayenza yena.
Azange ngibuzeni Nkosi enkantolo.
He never asked me.
Ngisho igama lami akazange ngibuzeni.
He never asked me even a single question, even my name, he never asked.
Ngoba ID yami ayiphethe ngimbone ephethe nephepha so.
What I saw is that he was in possession of my ID document together with the document that he had.
No other words he uttered.
Akazange akhulume elinye igama.
Nkosi enkantolo noma mhlambe kukhona khuma nami ngumuntu ngiyakhohle kodwa wena izinto eziningi azikho ngibuza zona ngaleli phepha mina Nkosi enkantolo.
My Lord, even if there are words that he might have uttered, I am a person, I forget. Perhaps I might have forgotten. However, a lot of things he never asked me pertaining to this document.
So a lot of things he did not ask you pertaining that document.
Uthi okuningi akazange akubuze mayelana naleli phepha.
Ngithi Nkosi enkantolo mina namanje angidibani naleli phepha leli phambi kweNkosi enkantolo. Okwami la ile signature ngayisayina ngenkani. Ngiyayivuma ngeyami ngayisayina ngenkani. Angisayinanga ngoba ngithanda.
My Lord, I am still maintaining that a lot of these things I do not know, and what I am confidently agreeing to, it's my signature. I agree that this is my signature. However, I was forced to sign here.
When you were being assaulted, did Colonel Rapado say anything
Ngalesikhathi
to
ulibele
the
ushawa.
police officers?
Ngalesikhathi ushawa. uKennel Rapadu ikhona into aye
That's the court basis on that. He's already answered to say he may have uttered certain things, but I'm human, I forgot. Asked and answered, my lord. That's the court pieces.
But I'm arriving at a certain point. Can I not be distracted, my lord? A version was put on your behalf that Colonel Rapadu, trying to find the relevant page, said or inquired from the police that were there, considering your condition, that if you were still alive,
uthi ke ummeli wakho uye wakhuluma etshela omunye wofakazi ukuthi uKolonel Rapadu uye wathi kumaphoyisa uma bekubheka ukuthi usaphila na.
Ngiyathemba Nkosi enkantolo akusinto ephuma emlonyeni wami leyo.
I believe, my lord, that is not what I said,
Akaze ngibhekise into phambi kwenkosi enkantolo.
as I did not mention it in front of this court.
26 October 2023 and page 18. This word was said to Colonel Rapadu.
Nge-26 zika October nyakenye nayi into eyakhulunywa kuye uKolonel Rapadu.
16 to paragraph line 16 to 20. So, and I quote, quoting at Mr. Mngomezulu. So the torturing, the tubing, the assaulting of the accused carried on until you were sorry and you told the police officers that were around. After seeing the condition of the accused, you asked them, is he still alive? And Mr. Mngomezulu proceeded to say, that is the question you asked.
Uthi ke ummeli wakho uye wathi kuKolonel Rapadu kusho ukuthi ukushawa ukuhlukunyezwa nokuthubiwa kwakamsolwa buye kwaqhubeka kufikela wena Kolonel Rapadu uze umbona waze wabuza ukuthi usaphila nalo muntu olibele eshawa.
Nkosi enkantolo angeke ngikwazi ukuphendula baba Mngomezulu la lapha eboxini. Ngiyathemba mina into engikhulumile into ephuma emlonyeni wami phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Azange ngithi ubaba Mngomezulu ubuza ubaba uRapadu uthi ngicanga ngikwazi ukuyiphendula nkosi enkantolo.
My lord, I would not be able to respond on behalf of what Mr. Mngomezulu had said. I believe what I have testified on is what comes from me, and I did not mention anything with regards to Mr. Mngomezulu.
But did you hear this particular part of evidence when it was put to Colonel Rapadu?
Kodwa ubuzwile lobo bufakazi ngalesikhathi bucebi kutshelwa uKolonel Rapadu.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiphinde nayizola ngasho la ukuthi mangihleli lapha ziningi izinto ezikhuluma enkantolo nami ngumuntu.
My lord, as I have stated yesterday, that whilst I am seated on the accused dock, there are a lot of things that are spoken, and I am also human.
Ubaba Mngomezulu uzokhuluma nenkosi enkantolo.
Mr. Mngomezulu
ngazi mina.
is the one that would argue with the court on what he had said.
But do you understand the impact of asking this question to the witness? Meaning you were beaten to a stage where one has to ask whether you are still alive. Do you understand?
Kodwa uyazwisisa na ukuthi lo mbuzo obekade ubuzwa ufakazi wona wawukade uthini, okuchaza ukuthi ushawe ngendlela ebeyikuthi umuntu bekwamele azibuze ukuthi lo muntu usaphila na.
Ngithi namanje nkosi enkantolo ngeke ngikwazi ukuphendula ubaba Mngomezulu ngoba namanje nkosi enkantolo ukube la khona ijini lengangigqokile. Inkosi enkantolo bengeke ithanda ngendlela ejini leyo engcole ngayo.
My lord, as I am stating, I would not be able to respond on what Mr. Mngomezulu had said. However, if the court could see the jean that I was wearing, the court would not like it.
Necathulo ezayigcwele dust mangathwa nje sekhona mangathwa ngangayikhipha ngayivela inkosi enkantolo wabayithathanga.
And even the shoes that I was wearing, the dust that was on those shoes, if I would have been able to show them, the court court would not also like that.
ingakho ngiphambi Nkosi enkantolo ngithi ama ngilapha inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu Nkosi enkantolo lo gama lamanje alifuna emlonyeni wami ngeke liphele ngoba ngimi lapha nje inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ngendlela ngangihlukunyezwa ngayo.
And my Lord, that is why I keep on mentioning that my heart is broken because of the way I was treated and assaulted.
So you see, with that version, and then put it to you that what you are telling this court is improbable, it did not happen, you are just making up a story.
Uthi umshushisi uyakutshela ukuthi lento oyishoyo ayikwazeki ukuthi ingayenzeka. Ayenzekanga futhi wena uyaziqambela.
Nkosi enkantolo yenzeka lento engikhuluma ngayo Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngilapha phambi kwakho wena. Yena wayengekho yena ukhuluma ngamaphepha awaphethe wayengekho yena la esasikhona thina.
My Lord, what I am testifying on indeed happened, and the state was not present. The state is just speaking as they are in possession of exhibits.
And I am qualifying, which I am telling you now, because the AVL system does not locate that particular motor vehicle that you were transported in on that particular day.
Uthi into eyenza ukuthi ayisho leyo nto ngesibindi ukuthi ayenzekanga ingoba iAVL